Hello guys, and it's a pleasant morning, and Bank Nifty looks quite bearish, and I might be selling Bank Nifty but not yet sure. Let me get a confirmation and then I will update you on the other things. So as of 6 October 2020, my account started at 5 lakh rupees, is at 5,98,257, and option account which I started at 3 lakh rupees, it is at 3,43,533. Alright, so I'll keep you posted guys. Alright, so right now I'll be hedging a position, that is Bank Nifty 22,500 put option and 22,700 call option. I'll be taking a hedge position from here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Right, so this is my current positions, and also I will be shorting Bank Nifty in my futures account. So it is running at 6:15, so I'll be shorting 250 quantities of Bank Nifty.
Order filled.
Right guys, my positions currently are, you could see Bank Nifty shorted from 22,619 and hedged my positions in Bank Nifty, that is 22,700 call option and 22,500. Hope everything is clear. This is my current running profits, or loss, sorry. Alright guys, so as you all know that my appetite for futures are at 2% is what I'm looking for. So I shall be booking this in another 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll just keep you posted. So I booked 11,000 rupees, and if you could see here my profits in futures. I'll show you my executions of futures right here. Bank Nifty shorted at 619 and bought back at 574. That was my entry and exit. Alright, so currently there's my hedge position going on in Bank Nifty. That is 22,700 and 22,500. So let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I booked the loss of 21,720 rupees in options. I hedged the positions, as you could see here, and nothing great returns, as the market was sideways for a long time, and yes, my premium got decayed and I had to lose some money. Alright, it's a part of the game, no worries. So overall in a loss of 10,000 today, and it's okay. Everybody goes through a bad day, so I guess today is mine. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.